Growing up in Mason City, there was always a place where all the kids wanted to go for group activities. It was found at the corner of First and North Penn, the YMCA. Now there's a whole generation of kids and young adults that have no memory of the old Y. Thankfully, they only know the new one. At Splash, we've been honored to work with the YMCA in different projects, whether they be youth program shirts to adult achievement garments. We stopped at the YMCA to speak with Caitlyn Meyer about youth programming and also chatted with some of the summer camp kids about what they liked about coming to the YMCA. Please stick around towards the end of the video for a chance to win some special YMCA gear.
The Mason City Family YMCA actively engages with youth and families. We are stepping up and solving childcare issues with after-school programming in both Mason City and Clear Lake, and a summer camp program. Every day our summer camp involves games, STEM, and community building. This year that included a Parents' Day. Registration for after-school programs at both locations are still available. At our Y building, our youth programming includes Fit Friends starting in October, Taekwondo on Monday and Thursdays, 6:45 to 7:45 p.m. Youth kickboxing was a hit over the summer and will return next spring. Basketball rec league registration starts next month. Swim lessons, both private and classes. Sugar Plum Preschool, located at Trinity Lutheran Church, is still accepting registrations. You can find the Y in the community. This year we have been at the Cannonball Fun Run, the Stew Race, Healthy Kids Day, Moonlight Bike Ride, and the Community Health Center Back to School Block Party. We have the Fall Fest and the annual Trunk or Treat coming up in October. For more information, visit us on Facebook or on our website at masoncitymca.org, or call the front desk at 641-422-5999.
Hi, my name is Sam, and I like going to the pool and spending time with my friends.
My name is Beckett, and I like to spend time outside and go to the pool.
Hi, my name is Olivia, and I like making friends and going on field trips.
What about the field trips do you like?
Going to the zoo and going to the North Springs pool.
Splash would like to thank the YMCA and their staff for working with us on printing for their different programming. Here's a chance for you to win some very special YMCA goodies. To enter the drawing, you'll need to like the YMCA Facebook page, like this YouTube video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Winners will be contacted via social media.